Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Madhuri. In this video, we are going to learn about types of noun, concrete nouns and abstract noun. Let's see the meaning of concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun that you can see, hear, smell, touch and taste. Let's see the meaning of an abstract noun. An abstract noun is something that you cannot see, hear, smell, touch or taste. Let's see the example of concrete and abstract noun. Can you see this picture? What is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture of a bag. This is a bag. A bag is a name of an object. A bag can be seen or touched. It has a physical existence. Yes, a bag is a common name given to a thing. A bag is a concrete noun. Let's see the example of abstract noun. Can you see in this picture? The boy is carrying a school bag. How is the bag? The bag is heavy. Here, heaviness is the quality of the bag. We can think of heaviness and feel it, but we cannot see it. So, the name of the quality heaviness is an abstract noun. Here, the boy can touch the bag and can see the bag, but he cannot see or touch the heaviness of bag. He can only think of it and can only feel it. So, the word bag is a concrete noun and the word heaviness is an abstract noun. Let's see one more example of concrete and abstract noun. Now again look at this picture. This is a picture of a book. A book can be seen or touched. It has a physical existence. A book is the name of a thing. So the word book is a concrete noun. Now let's see the example of an abstract noun. Books help to store all the knowledge of the world. We can think of knowledge and feel it, but we cannot see it. It only exists in our mind. So the name of the quality knowledge is an abstract noun. Yes, the word knowledge is an abstract noun because we cannot see it or we cannot touch it. We can only think and feel it. When you read book, you get knowledge and that knowledge gets stored in your mind. We can touch and see a book, but we cannot touch or see the knowledge. So, book is a concrete noun because it's a tangible thing and knowledge is a quality of that book. It cannot be touched or it cannot be seen. It is an intangible thing. Let's see some more examples of concrete nouns. A rose can be seen, touched and smell. You can smell fragrance of a rose. A guitar again can be seen, touched and you can also hear the sound of guitar. A burger can be seen, touched, taste and you can also smell the aroma of a burger. So a rose, a guitar, a burger are the things. These are the names given to the things. And these are the examples of concrete nouns. Let's see the examples of abstract noun. I like to play with my friends, which gives me happiness. Here the word happiness refers to emotion and feelings. You cannot touch the word happiness and cannot see it. You can only feel it. So the word happiness is an abstract noun. Let's see the next example. I had a lot of fun in my childhood. Now here, the word childhood refers to the event and moment. You cannot see it, you cannot touch it, but you can only think of it and feel it. So, the word childhood is an abstract noun. Let's see the next example. Sam has enough money so that he can live in comfort. Here the word comfort in this sentence is an abstract noun. The word comfort tells about the state of being. Let's see one more example of abstract noun. Laughter is a medicine to keep yourself healthy. Here, laughter refers to the action and deed. The word laughter is an action word and so it is an abstract noun. Here, you can see some more examples of abstract noun. You can pause this video here and can have a look on this. So yes, this is all about concrete nouns and abstract noun. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, share this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.